Billions of screw fastenings are produced all over the world every day. A screw fastening which is subject to high stress can, however, lose its ability to self-lock and may become loose. Not only is this bothersome, it can be life-threatening. A test rig, simulating the overstress of fastening, shows this action and details the effects of various different locking elements or methods. In the test, a high tensile screw is tightened to 37 kilonewtons of preload using the respective locking element. After the test assembly is initiated, the tightened flanges are pushed together using a defined amplitude and frequency. The animation depicts the induced sliding under the screw head and in the thread. As a result of this, the screw loses its self-locking ability. The locking element must now maintain the preload. The first test shows the behavior of an unlocked screw. The screw immediately begins to loosen, and the preload drops to 0 after just 100 cycles. The conventional spring washer is no different from an unlocked screw. This is the reason why the spring washer is no longer approved by DIN as a locking element. Even the locking plate with location peg and moulding to the screw, still often used in constructions, shows no preload retaining effects whatsoever. This too is no longer a DIN standard. The lock nut as a prevail torque locking element can only be considered as a lost locking element. The high loss of preload means that operational safety is not achieved. However, this can prevent the fastening from falling apart. With precote, pre-treated screws allow no rotational movement whatsoever. The preload is completely retained, except for a negligible settling rate, and the fastening is locked even in cases of dynamic overstress. The graph clearly shows the loss of preload and loosening effect per number of load cycles. Results in the red section mean no locking effect. The results shown in the blue section offer only a lost locking effect. Only a chemical locking system, such as precote, can offer effective thread locking and retain the